She got Nino. Nino in the house. Yeah, my boy, focus. So, we installed the system here. The plans give you the measurements to square it off. We squared it off. We found center, put these posts in, and this is the result. Now they're producing clean energy. It's a beautiful day. You can see all those windmills over there. Clean energy out here. And bam. There's also a power plant not too far from here as well. Gotta use it all. So you got a ditch witch, and you need to build a dish. How do you start this? How do you work this? Control levers here, right? So first you're gonna, I don't know, you should pull out the choke. Yeah, and then push the choke. Good. You want to move? You want to move? Like this. This is how you move it. Right, to the right. Right, left. Let's go. So we wanted to go that way, right? We want to go that way? You're gonna walk it like that by holding both of these on, right? But you're like, here, there's some signs. The bunny, when it comes down to this heavy machinery, it means fast, and the turtle, slow, right? So that means, I'm assuming, fast forward. Yeah, so if you push it up forward, it's gonna go fast. If you push it back slow, it's gonna go slow. Right? This is to go up and down. This is to move that thing up and down. So now we're gonna teach you how to do it, all right? So first you pull the choke, you turn it on, and then let it. Yellow. Sorry. All right. So you wanna lift it up all the way, right? All the way. This is to put it down. This lever puts it down. Puts this up. Down. Up. If you want this to go forward so that this can work with it, you go to the left. Or the opposite. To the opposite. That's gonna feed it towards you. But you want it away so it can get the dirt and bury it under and toss it to the side. That's how we build that huge trench. Pretty simple. So you're at the job site, boss is like, move the Bobcat. I don't know how to move the Bobcat. This is how you move the Bobcat. All right, we're gonna start it like from off. We're off. The Bobcat is completely off. What are we gonna do? We're gonna flip the switch on. Okay, Bobcat, you're on. Switch is on. So you got a couple buttons here. First thing first, you gotta put this thing on or else it won't even operate. Okay, once you got that on, you press the start button, which is this one. Now you're starting. Now the machine is working, okay? But you're like, hey, I'm using the controllers. It's not moving. It's making noises. It's not moving. Okay, because first you have it in park. So we're gonna take it out of park in order for us just to move. So this is what's gonna move the whole Jimmy Jammer. So if you go right, it's gonna move right. You go left, it's gonna move left, forward, right? You go back, it's gonna move back. Pretty simple instructions. Whichever way you point it in is where it's gonna move at, right? And you could even reverse on an angle, right? Bring it on the angle you want, reverse, boom. But now you're like, hey, I'm trying to move the bucket's not working. Oh, what's going on? So now you gotta lock the bucket. Lock the button, this green button here. Boom. Now the bucket's ready to use. This is very simple to use. We're gonna go like this. Look at the control and look at the bucket. If I tilt it to the left, it's gonna go up. If I tilt it to the right, it's gonna go down. If I tilt it back, it's gonna bring it up, right? So I'm gonna tilt it all the way down, tilt it back all the way up by bringing it to the left, right? Moving it forward brings it down, moving it backward brings it up. But you see how much power this thing has? You gotta be careful, especially on the job site. So you're gonna move it very slow, right? And then when we're flipping our bucket, unless you're a professional and you get comfortable, but when you're stepping in this, you gotta move this very slow. Move the joystick. It has a you move it, look, it'll jerk, and that you don't want to be jerking. You can definitely damage the equipment by jerking it like that. So we're gonna go soft and smooth movements. We'll get it there. Get the job done. Once you get confident, you bring it down. Set the bucket down. Boom, and you're done. So this moves the bucket, this moves the operator, and only you move yourself. So get out there and get it. Get after it.